and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Establishments of Anil Salgaoncar are raided by CBI in connection with Karnataka illegal mining. Salgaocar Chambers at Panaji and Margao raided. MPT violating High Court guidelines on coal handling at berth number 11 and 12. Vasco residents face day-to-day coal pollution. Public hearing on Sunday. Three persons arrested for smuggling elephant's ivory tusk. Police recovered 3 pieces of ivory tusk amounting to more than 10 lakh rupees. Bhakti Kulkarni confident of a medal in upcoming Commonwealth Chess Championship. I was disheartened, but I concentrated on my game, says Goa's first and only woman grandmaster. And St. Xavier's College Mapsa to take on Carmel's College Nuve in the varsity football finals. And now the news in detail. CBI raided Salgaocar Chambers in Margao and Panaji belonging to Anil Salgaoncar on Saturday. The raids were conducted following Supreme Court direction to probe into illegal mining in Karnataka. Establishments of Mallikarjun Shipping were also raided in Goa.
In view with the Supreme Court judgment on illegal iron ore mining in Karnataka, the CBI has registered 5 cases in connection with illegal iron ore export scam worth Rs 2,500 crore and carried out searches at 17 locations, including the premises of associates of jailed mining baron G. Janardhan Reddy. Raids at Salgaocar Chambers in Panaji and Margao raided. Allegation of export of illegal ore. Mallikarjun Shipping offices of Arun Sail also raided. 5 companies faced raids. The agencies registered 5 cases and a preliminary inquiry against firms and exporters allegedly related with illegal mining and export of nearly 50 lakh metric tons of iron ore from Belagiri port in Karnataka, CBI officers said. Companies involved in iron ore from Karnataka via Goa include ILC Industries, Dream Logistics, SB Logistics, Sri Mallikarjuna Shipping, Greentex Industries. Salgaocar Mining Industries headed by Anil Salgaocar is believed to be associated with mining transport from Karnataka along with Janardhan Reddy.
Vasco cars are far from getting respite from coal pollution. The issue of coal dust pollution is haunting Vasco residents. Coal handling berths like berth number 10 and 11 at MPT are causing severe air pollution. The shocking fact is MPT is blatantly violating court directions issued to check the pollution. Surendra Margao reports.
Goa bench of Bombay High Court on 24th February 2012 in its judgment directed MPT to adopt various measures to control air pollution due to handling of coal. Here are some of the court directions to the MPT. Height of coal stacked at berth number 10 and 11 should not exceed 7 meters. Improved sprinkler system. Erection of additional barricade of GI windshield on city side of 100 meters length. Trucks leaving MPT premises should not be overloaded. Coal should be covered with tarpaulin. But MPT has failed to follow these directions. Look at this. Coal stacks at berth number 10 and 11 are clearly exceeding the limit. There is no sprinkler system in the MPT. Trust is presently using tankers to spray water. Barricades are installed, but they are made of blue sheets. Now have a look at these trucks. It is clear that the trucks are overloaded. MPT is not ensuring air pressure cleaning before leaving MPT premises. Chairman of the MPT said all the directions are followed by the Port Trust. He says that construction of closed shed and mechanization of coal handling at berth 11 will be completed before October 2014.
In fact, as the port is concerned, we are following the direction of the High Court absolutely. And that is the reason why we are just monitoring continuously. The dust comes in basically when it is basically like, too windy. And sometimes, where the cargo is being, transported from one place to other place. That's the reason why we put a wind curtain also we put in.
Severe air pollution is still prevalent in Vasco and is causing serious health hazards. From past 10 years, locals are suffering due to air pollution. Dust is seen on shops and houses. Even roads are filled with coal dust. Locals are demanding completion of National Highway 17B to divert to coal transportation.
Why are we suffering? Development of India, we are not against development, but do it in a very proper, systemized way. There is a lot of technology available. Why are you not using the technology?
Every effort should be made to expedite the completion of 17B 4-lane highway.
Meanwhile, public hearing of MPT expansion plans will be held on Sunday at 10 a.m. at Margao Municipal Council. Reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
3 persons were apprehended by Goa police for smuggling elephant's ivory tusk. 2 persons were caught red-handed at Salgaon. Another was arrested in Pole, Kankon in the same case. Police recovered 3 pieces of elephant's ivory tusk weighing 7 kilos and amounting to 10.5 lakh rupees. The trio are currently in police custody.
Despite a global ban on marketing of elephant ivory tusk, the threat of smuggling elephant tusk is on the high rise. On Friday evening, 3 people were arrested by Kalangut police in possession of elephant tusk. Vijay Kumar Naik and Sandeep Naik of Karwar were arrested in Salgaon, whereas Victor Teles was intercepted at Pole in Kankon. All 3 are under police custody. The duo in Salgaon were apprehended by police while they were moving suspiciously containing 3 pieces of elephant tusk weighing 7 kilos of estimated 10.5 lakh rupees.
And further we found 3 pieces of ivory tusk carried in a bag with one of them. Subsequently, these 2 persons were brought to the police station, arrested and interrogated further. They disclosed that one more person who had supplied them, and accordingly, I along with the police team proceeded to Kankon and arrested one Victor Teles. Subsequently, after completion of preliminary inquiry, we have registered an offence under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 3 pieces of elephant tusk weighing around 7 kgs is worth around 10 lakhs 50,000 approximately.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.